Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming PowerShell 7 is installed and a working folder exists. This gets you into a reproducible state. Once done, enable TLS1. 2 so web downloads won't fail, and set execution policy to remote sign to allow local scripts. Next, prepare basic variables, target URL, output file name, and desired format like GLB or OBJ. Make sure to run PowerShell as administrator when changing policy. This prevents common permission blockers and lets the download commands run without interruption. You will now fetch the model file using invoke web request URI $URL out file $path. This saves bytes directly. If an API requires a key, insert it into a headers hash table and include headers. That way authentication succeeds. Once downloaded, check the file type. If it's a zip, use expand archive path $zip destination path $folder. After extraction, inspect manifest or JSON to find the main GLB or OBJ file, then rename or move it to your mounted working folder for easy access in a 3D viewer. To finish, open the saved GLB or OBJ in Windows 3D Viewer or Blender to verify textures and mesh integrity. This confirms success. If the viewer fails, convert the model with Blender or a CLI tool to the format you need, making sure texture paths are preserved. If something goes wrong, first rerun the download and check execution policy, TLS settings, and that the file size matches the expected bytes. A corrupted download or blocked TLS is usually the culprit. Fixing those restores the process quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.